Let me show you a simple way to upload your capabilities. First, you can copy and paste your capabilities from an Excel spreadsheet. This method takes advantage of our patented technology. Not uploading part numbers will prevent your customers from finding your company as a qualified repair station when searching our site or our links that get indexed in major search engines like Google. We also provide a way to upload your capabilities as a PDF by clicking this button and selecting it from your computer. We encourage you to take advantage of both options to increase your sales exposure for your aviation repair services. Now let's copy and paste a list of part numbers. Here you can see a very basic pop-up window where you will enter your part numbers. Now let's open Excel. Here's a spreadsheet with a few columns of data. The only column required is the part number column. This is important. Do not copy these other columns. We will not accept data from your sheet that is not selected from one column. Select the cells you want to copy, right-click, copy, then navigate to the upload box, right-click, paste, then click Done. It's that simple. We do a quick calculation here so you can see how many numbers you uploaded. Now let's say in the future you add or remove capabilities from your list. You'll be able to edit this list from your profile once you log in after your registration has been approved. Nobody knows your business like you do. So be industrious. If you're a modification center, then you'll want to add your mod numbers to the list. Engine shops, landing gear shops, heavy maintenance facilities, avionics shops. Whatever you are licensed by the FAA to repair is what you want to include on your capabilities list. It's important that you include the items you feel your customers will be searching for. The MRO industry is highly competitive. Gain that competitive edge. The easier you make it for your customers to find you, the more opportunity you will have to close deals. Don't miss the opportunity to tell people about your company and what you have to offer. If you need help, please reach out to us. That's all for now. Cheers.